Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Peter Ogunjiri. Today I'll be showing you how to screenshot any website for use. Whether you're screenshotting for a mobile app or you're screenshotting for a laptop or a desktop, whichever screen size you want, you'll be able to screenshot it using a simple website. Now, let us get started. So the name of the site is site-shots.com. That's the name of the site. So once you just go to this site, you're going to see this page, right? So when you get to this page, the site you would like to screenshot, right? You just have to go and copy the URL of that site. This is the URL of the site I would like to screenshot. So I'll copy it. Now I'll come to the site and I'll paste it here. Now this is not the end. When you paste it here, you now need to be careful to know the screen size you actually want to export for, or you want to screenshot for rather. So now let's assume you want to screenshot for a desktop or a laptop, right? So you may need to come here. So usually there are recommendations here that you can work with. There's a recommendation for desktop as well as for Android devices, for iOS devices and all that, right? The beautiful thing about this website also is that you can actually screenshot the entire website from top to bottom. So if there's a particular section you want to use, you can just screenshot that section, and then you can have it on your project. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to be test running with there is a size. So I'm going to test running with this size. That's 1920 by 1080. So which is a common screen size for desktops. So now when I've selected this size, but if you want to zoom in better, you can actually adjust your zoom in here. But for me, I don't think I want to zoom in any better. So I would just love to have that side the way it is. Then you can scroll down. Any format you want. Do you want it as a PNG or as a JPEG? I would advise you to go for PNG because PNG usually has a higher quality. So whenever you want to use any project, you are sure to get the high resolution format of that image. Then this also asking for the image scale. So it's best to just leave it at 100. The more you reduce it, the smaller the image is going to look like. So just leave it at 100. So once you are done with these settings, right, then all you just need to do is click on shot. And when you click on this, it's going to load from 0 all the way to 100. Now you can see this is what is going to give us. If you go to the site itself, this is the site itself. Can you see? Now, let's assume I am not comfortable with what I'm seeing. I would like to have the site to be longer. So what I would just need to do is, this is the height, this is the width. The width is the breadth, like height from left to right, right? So how far do you want it to look? So I think we'll just leave that exactly the way it is. There's no need for any further adjustment. But then for the height is top to bottom. So I want it to be longer. Instead of it just this more like a Euro page image that is giving me. So I'll increase the height a bit. I'll increase it. Okay, I'll increase it to this. You can actually select it to any section or any figure you want. So I'll click on short. So now you can see that it is longer. So even if I want it to be longer again, I just have to adjust this space. So the more you adjust it, the longer it becomes. So when you want to have a full website, all you just need to do is just adjust it all the way to the end, right? So now I'm okay with this. I'm fine with this. So what I'll just do is I'll click on download. And to ask me where do I want to download it, so I'll just save it in my downloads, and I'll click on save. So it's downloaded already. In case you don't know how to use it, go and check the last video I uploaded. You're going to see how to work with a mockup in that video. So now I believe you learned something from this channel. I look forward to hearing from you. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment, and don't forget to share this video with someone that is probably having issues screenshotting or trying to get a website to be used on their mockups. I look forward to hearing from you. I look forward to reading your comments, and I promise to respond to all comments that comes under this video or any of my other videos. Thank you. God bless you. Stay creative.